Hey everyone, it's Sadie with Sage Advice for Fertility, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about hormone dysregulators. So I think that most people have heard about this, but it may be worth doing a little bit more investigating. So the first thing to understand is that hormone dysregulating substances can be both natural or man-made. And they involve everything from pesticides that we eat or preservatives that we put in our body via food or the air we breathe. And they can also be things that we put on our body, such as perfume or creams or shampoo or makeup or nail polish. And it's important to know that the FDA does not regulate these products. So it's really up to us to do the research and make sure that we're getting purity in everything that we come in contact with for our reproductive health. It's also interesting to note that a lot of things that are, you can say, natural can in fact still contain hormone dysregulating substances. And this means that they turn off certain hormones, they turn on other hormones, or they just interrupt the hormonal communication. All things that are the opposite of what we want when we're trying to build a strong foundation of reproductive health. And then lastly, things that we clean with and our household products that we use. I think right now everyone is really upping their game with being sure that everything is disinfected, and this can introduce a lot of toxic chemicals into our environment and our homes. So I have a special little tip for you, which is a completely non-toxic disinfectant that I love and I'm using absolutely everywhere. It's as strong as bleach, it's EPA certified, and you can use it at home, and it's completely safe for your reproductive health as well as your pets and your general health. So if you are interested in getting some more information about some things you can do at home or things to watch out for, sign up below and we will send you our Sage information on safe beauty and home care products. Be well.